apple of my eye. You're the apple of my heart. Sorry, hindi ako singer, guys. Welcome to Unboxing Sensation. And right now, we have a new to unbox. So, the most prestigious cell phone of the year goes to new iPhone. So, we're gonna unbox this iPhone 12 Pro. Right now, I finally decided to buy an iPhone 12 because I'm running out of storage and my iPhone 10 is freezing. So, come and join me, guys! Bali, minil to ng UPS. From Apple Store siya. In-order na. I'm so excited, guys. Actually, I finally decided this because this one is freezing out and I'm deciding to buy a mirrorless camera because I'm taking my YouTube right now. So that's my decision that I would shift to iPhone. Because guys, for me, hindi talaga ako marunong yung gumamit ng camera. So, I decided to use a phone na lang for my YouTube channel. And let's open it, guys. We'll pull up like this. Excited na ako, guys. Pero, the color of this one is gold. So, let's see. And let's see. Look at it. Guys, ang ganda niya, no? Actually, ang favorite color ko is white and pink and gold. So, I have decided the gold one. And then, look at it. Medyo gold siya here. White gold pag tinignan mo siya. It's nice rin. Nag-revive lang siya yung, alam mo yung iPhone before, yung 4S. Ito yung classic version niya. So, let's open it, guys! Look at it! Actually, iba na yung case niya right now. Ito na lang yung may takip. Before, whole body, may cover ng plastic. Right now, yung front lang. And then, what's included here in the box is the cord. This one is USB Type-C. This one. And inside of this is the manual. And the key to open the iPhone when you're gonna change the SIM card. So, this is the one. And it includes the Apple sticker. Before, they have 2 Apple sticker, but right now it's 1. So, they make it simple, but irresistible. That's why I'm in love with Apple. Yung mga shots pala ng Apple, sobrang ganda na. Hindi matatawaran. So, come and join me as I set up this one. So, wait for me for a few seconds and I'm gonna set up this one. Hi guys! and see the difference of this one. This is the iPhone 12 Pro and this is the iPhone 10. Actually, the difference of this one is the big difference because this one have 6 RAM and this one have 3 RAM. So this is faster. The processor is faster than this one. So if you're gonna buy, I think this is the better choice. And now, because this one is a little bit expensive, and I buy a case from Best Buy. It was sale last November, so it's in Best Buy around 19.99. This is it. The brand is Tech 21. It's just a clear case, so let's fit it right now. This is the case. And this is the phone. The nice thing of Tech 21, it had a bit of thick bumper. So if you have kids and suddenly you dropped your phone, it's protected. So let's fit it right now. This is the case. Look at the case, guys. This one. And we'll put it here. So this is one. So if you have a gold iPhone 12, it's a bit nice if you're gonna have a case. Choose a case that is clear. So that's it, guys. Nice thing of this case, it's soft here. There. And I choose this case because I have kids. I have 3 kids. Sometimes when, accidentally you drop the phone. And it's nice that this bumper is a little bit thick. So it can protect your iPhone from that one. From the bumps. So I choose this one. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share. And for more unboxing coming up to my channel, just check it right away. And for a few seconds, we're gonna set up my iPhone 12 Pro. These are the great shots of iPhone 12 Pro. This is the portrait shot. And this is the slow-mo shot. So guys, here is the iPhone 12. This is the front camera. So you can see it's very clear. And if you're gonna see, you see my 1 million freckles in my face and my dryness of my lips, because right now it's very cold right now here in California. So this is the front camera. Kitang-kita nyo na. Thank you for bearing with me as I shot the camera here in iPhone back camera niya. Paano shot? Live shot. You can change the mode of live into live or loop or bounce. And also, you can change it to long exposure. iPhone 12 Pro shot in time-lapse. Back camera shot. Video under the water. iPhone 12 Pro. It is waterproof and you can make some cool memories under the water using iPhone 12 Pro because it's waterproof. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and share for more videos of unboxing sensation. This is Hussein Aquino. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas, guys. Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.